Well, it started. I started gathering my tubs for my wicking beds for next year. I'll start building them pretty soon. Might even put some fall crops in them, some lettuce and things like that. But gathered some tubs. I've got one red one and 3 or 4 blue ones, but I kind of wanted to go all red, but this is what I could come up with so far. The orange ones are real heavy duty. Those should last several years, and hope I can get a few more of those orange ones. I think I can. Bought these at the feed store, paying $3 a piece for them. Not crazy about paying for tubs, but you know, if you need them, you need them. I've also got some feelers out for people that have a lot of cows, feed cows, and might just want to give me some. So that's the plan. If I can get some for free, free is more better than $3. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get some free ones. Until then, we're buying some $3 ones. But just wanted to see that I am actively engaged in beginning my wicking tubs, and we're going to make a big deal out of this. I think we're going to try to anyway. All right, just wanted to show you that we're getting started. We're gone.